Hey Professor, this is Rob Hines. I'm explaining my solution to the problem 3 homework. Okay, so here's my code. Basically what I'm going to do, how I'm going to explain it is I'm going to explain it by summarizing what my code does, and then I'm going to go into deeper detail, breaking it into segments and explaining it that way as well. So firstly, what this does is, grab my highlighter. It initializes x equals 1, and that's the starting point that the problem statement wanted us to start with. And then what it does is it executes iterations, and in each iteration it'll cut it in half. Basically what this does is it executes this function right here. Then lastly, what the code does is it stops once the error is less than our constraint value, which here is this 10 to the negative 10th power shown right here. Okay, so for starters, what this first line of code does is it just clears and closes everything out. So CLC just clears the command window, and then everything else just closes each and everything out. So after that, we have this segment here. Then basically what the x equal 1 does again is it initializes x at 1 as the problem statement asks us to do so. Then it defines the stopping criteria. Then it also keeps track of how many iterations we're doing. That's basically what that segment does. Then we have a while loop here. Basically this loop will keep going until we meet the truncation error. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but the truncation error condition, it'll keep doing that until we meet that constraint. So then this line here, I can underline it. This is the same function they gave us up here, so we just input it. Then the rest of this segment right here, basically what this does is it just calculates the truncation error. Then we have this line right here. Basically what this does, got the fprintf function. So what it does is it prints the current iteration. It also prints the x value, prints the function value, and it also prints the error as we see here in the code. Okay. Then we got this line here. Basically what this does is it checks if the error is below the constraint value that we had in our problem statement. Once again, that's 10 to the negative 10th power. What that's doing is it's just checking to make sure it's below that value. If it is true, then the loop will stop. Okay, and basically what this last piece does is just a counter for the number of increments and iterations that we do. And we have the end, and that is pretty much it.